Unit 4 for speaking listening is on music. It's called Music, Music Everywhere. I love music. I think you guys know that. So, I thought we could make this a little bit more fun as we do and go through each of the lessons. Maybe we can include some music and have discussions about what types of music you like, and maybe some of you play an instrument and you could tell us about that, and very possibly show us the instrument on a Zoom meet, or maybe play the instrument a little bit for us. Maybe some of you like to sing and you could record that. I don't know. We'll find out. But I want to have a little bit of fun with this chapter 4 and really enjoy some of the Zoom meetings that we have and enjoy some of the lessons that are found in here. Let's go on to page 64. On page 64, there are some questions here under what's your music listening style? And then before you listen, A, communicate, work in a small group, discuss these questions. Well, for our next Zoom meeting, I would like for you to be ready to discuss these questions, and that will be for Monday. So let's read those questions together. Number 1 says, how important is music in your life? How important is music in your life? So be ready to talk about that at our meeting. And don't just say, oh, music is not important, or music is important, or music is sort of important. Be ready to tell us why it's not important or why it is important to you. Number 2, how often do you listen to music? That's something that you're going to have to think about, because to reply with, oh, I listen to music a lot, well, that doesn't mean a whole lot to us. What do you mean by I listen to music a lot? What does a lot mean? Okay, so be ready to expound on that. Number 3, do you play an instrument? If yes, what do you play? Again, maybe you could, if your answer to that is yes, I play an instrument, maybe you could be prepared to show us that instrument. And if you want to play it a little bit, that would be a lot of fun. It's up to you. And then number 4, do you like to sing? If yes, where do you sing? I, last semester, had a lot of students that said, I sing in the shower. Well, so do I, and I think most people do. But if you happen to sing at other places, maybe you're a singer who has sung in weddings or funerals, or maybe you sing in a choir at the church, be ready to talk to us about that experience. So that will be for Monday's Zoom meeting, a discussion on music here and music in your life. Now, let's go on to vocabulary. So we're going to listen to an audio, people speaking these sentences, and you are to choose the meaning of each bold word or phrase. So be prepared with your book. We start this on page 65. Now, while the audio is being played, I cannot move to the next page. It's a problem with the way the software works. So again, be ready to listen to the audio and be ready with your book open to do this exercise C, okay? So let me go ahead and play that audio.
Unit 4, Part 1, page 65, Exercise C, Vocabulary. 1.
Some people really focus when they listen to music. They think about the music, and they don't do anything else.
2.
Beautiful music transports some people. It can inspire their emotions.
3.
Some people think live music is more entertaining than recorded music. They like to see the musicians play their instruments.
4,
Pop music is a big category. It includes rock, new wave, and smooth jazz.
5,
What is your music listening style? Do you listen to music while you do other things, or do you just sit and listen?
6,
Music in movies can express many different emotions. For example, movie music can sound sad, happy, or scary.
7,
If you want children to engage with music, experts say to take them to concerts when they are very young.
8,
According to music experts, a successful pop song is very simple. Specifically, it is easy to remember, and it tells a story that is easy to understand.
9,
Music helps some people concentrate, but other people find it distracting.
10,
Nigel Kennedy began his career as a classical violinist, but today he plays other genres too. He recorded a jazz album, Shh, in 2009.
So that's for exercise C. Let me turn to page 66. Here is 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there are 10 questions to answer, and if you could please complete this assignment and send it to me. The best way to send it is to take a picture and send it that way, because that gives me the opportunity to draw on it or type on it. So if you could do it that way, that would be the best. Okay? So that's exercise C. Good luck.